On a warm afternoon in the small town of Bengaluru, two brothers, Virat and Dhruva, sat under the shade of a large banyan tree in their backyard. Virat, the elder of the two at 8 years old, had a wisdom beyond his years. Dhruva, just 3, looked up to his brother with eyes full of admiration. "Virat Bhaiya, what are you reading?" Dhruva asked, his voice full of curiosity. Virat looked up from the Bhagavad Gita, a treasured book given to him by their father. He smiled at Dhruva and patted the spot next to him. "Come sit, Dhruva. I'll teach you something very special today." Dhruva eagerly plopped down beside his brother, his tiny legs swinging excitedly. Virat turned the pages of the Gita until he found the verse he was looking for. "This is a shloka from the Bhagavad Gita, Dhruva. It's in Sanskrit. I'll say it first, and then you repeat after me, okay?" Dhruva nodded enthusiastically. Virat took a deep breath and began to recite, "Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan. Ma karm phalhetur bhurma te sangostva karmani." Dhruva's eyes widened. The words sounded magical to him. He tried to repeat after Virat, stumbling a bit but determined to get it right. Karmanya. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Ma karma. Phalhetur. Pur. Mate sangostva karmani. Virat beamed with pride. "Very good, Dhruva. Now let me tell you what it means. It says that we have the right to perform our duties, but we are not entitled to the fruits of our actions. We should not let the results of our work be our motivation, nor should we be attached to inaction." Dhruva tilted his head, trying to understand. "What does that mean, Bhaiya?" Virat thought for a moment, then said, "Imagine you are planting a tree, Dhruva. Your job is to plant it and take care of it. But you shouldn't worry about when it will give fruits or if it will give fruits at all. You should just do your best and be happy with that." Dhruva's eyes lit up with understanding. "So, I should just do my best and not worry about what happens next?" "Exactly," Virat said, giving his brother a hug. "You are very smart, Dhruva." Dhruva giggled. "Thank you, Bhaiya. Can we plant a tree now?" Virat laughed and nodded. "Sure, let's do it. And while we plant it, we can remember the shloka." The two brothers spent the rest of the afternoon planting a small mango sapling in their garden. As they worked, Virat kept repeating the shloka, and Dhruva joined in, his voice growing more confident with each repetition. The sapling stood as a testament to their effort, a reminder of the lesson Virat had shared. Years later, that mango tree would bear fruits, but the real fruit was the bond between the brothers and the wisdom they nurtured together under the banyan tree on that warm afternoon in Bengaluru.